Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. We are up on a roof today, as you can see. This is a standard Chicago 2-flat roof situation, and we have some water coming into the building. So we're going to walk through some of the solutions that we have for the parapet wall. We're also going to check out some of the capping. The roof itself looks to be in pretty good shape, so we're not too concerned with that. And then we're also looking at the back gutter, which was undersized, and it was replaced with the correct size gutter and the correct size downspout, once again to prevent water from coming into the building. So this here is some of the brick that came off of that parapet wall. Yeah. And this is all in good shape. It's being cleaned up. It's going to be reused, and it's perfectly good Chicago brick. In fact, it's some of the best brick in the world. And then you can see here, we've got a pile of rubble, which was the damaged brick. This was all water damage and cracking and breaking up, and that's the brick we can't reuse. But we certainly love these piles of cleaned up Chicago brick. Thanks for spending some time with us to see how we resolve these issues on this brick 2-flat. You saw that we rebuilt the parapet wall and the related capping, and we replaced a rear gutter and a rear downspout that was undersized. So with these improvements, we should not be getting any more water into this building that can cause extensive damage. Thanks again. See you next time on Everyday Workbench.